is on my tablet today, so not my TV, and I'm shaking right now. So make sure if you got a message on your TV, then yeah, it's gonna be short. So I'm in mom's. No,